Bubba. Yeah, I got him stuck in the tree though. He's real pretty. Let me keep him in the water till I get over here. We haven't been here 2 minutes getting our kayak set up, and Bubba catches a Suwannee off the bank. Just messing around. Hold up, let me get a close up of him. Look how pretty those fish are, guys.
Yep.
All right, let's get him on the scales.
Of a smallmouth and...
Or see if he measures. I don't think he's going to measure.
I don't think he's heavy enough either.
Grab the board. Don't let him get away.
Oh no.
Oh no.
No, he's way too short.
11 inch, yeah. 11 and a quarter.
What's he got to be?
They got to be 15.
Oh.
Or a pound and a half.
You don't weigh him, just see what he weighs. I know he ain't a pound
Let's
and a
let
half.
him go, but that's so cool, man.
Look at that.
Congratulations.
That is a beautiful fish.
Congratulations, man.
Thank you. That's what we came for, guys.
That thing is pretty. See you, buddy.
Later, man.
Awesome.
Big old log. Get out of here, man.
Largemouth.
Still. It's gonna be good fishing, boys.
Looks like it.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Give me that damn trigger. Dude, I got some bruisers that color. Well, guess where they're at?
In the truck?
In the truck. All right, man.
You got
Stick him in your lap. I ain't gonna.
You don't want the...
I don't want the responsibility of him flopping out. Nope.
14.
Close his mouth. Hold him up there. Damn, they're pretty fish.
It's a beautiful fish.
It is, man. I can't wait to put one in my aquarium. Tiger stripes and everything.
That one might weigh, though.
Think?
Yeah,
let's try it.
Let's try it.
Here, keep him in the water.
Yeah. He's too short, guys.
Still too short?
Too short, 14.
1 inch short.
Hair over 14.
Hey, my way.
Yeah,
You ready?
Might weigh.
Oh. 1.36.
Dang.
20 ounces short.
Yeah.
Or 0.20 ounces short. 1.36, guys. I want to look at one of these things, man.
That's a cool fish.
They are, man. Damn, that is so cool. It's neat going after a different species, ain't it?
Yeah, it is.
I love that blue on them.
Yeah, real dark with the blue.
Yep.
Cool fish. Well, thank you.
Fat. She's full of eggs, too.
Yeah, you can see.
All right. Let her go. Do I got anything that's green pumpkin? He's been killing them. I ain't caught one yet. No, he's catching them on that end. We just going around you. Trying to be respectful.
Yeah. Regular largemouth or?
Suwannees. That's what we're trying to get. We're trying to get the Suwannee to get the slam. There you go. See, I gave you some room. Look what happens. Or that big old bluegill, ain't it? Yeah, nice red breath. All right, man. You too. Yep, I got one. Via the tree. Bubba. Yeah, I got him stuck in the tree though. He's real pretty. Let me keep him in the water till I get over here. Dang it. Fish, why'd you have to get hung up in a tree? In the current. Getting all my other stuff hung up. Got him. Hell no. Just a baby. Huh? Still, I'm just happy to catch one. There he is, guys. He ain't huge, but there's my first Suwannee bass. Man, they're pretty. Let him go. Bye, fella. Those are bluegill, and I figured, why not? Let's try it. Got one. Nice one. Suwannee. And they do fight. God, they're pretty. Whoa, there went the hook. Dude, that's all we're catching. I love it. Come on, 15. 12 3/4. At least we're catching them. We'll eat the tube. God, they're pretty. Thank you, fella. How do I keep missing him? It's gotta be bluegill or something. There's like a little hole or something right here that they're in. Got him that time. Oh, there he went. Nice. Guys, watch this. Bubba thinks he's coming over here. Dude, you're going right through my hole.
I ain't got too much room here.
Come on over here as you run into my... They'll come back. They'll come back in here. Thank God. A freaking tube exits right here. Well, guys, that's going to be the end of day one. Everyone here got Suwannee bass, though. I got 2 Suwannee bass. Tim got 2 Suwannee bass. And Bubba ended up getting 3. Just everybody was getting shorts, though. My 2 were small. I think mine was like 13 inches. Bubba got one that was 14 inches. That was too small. So hopefully tomorrow we'll paddle down even further, get away from all these inner tubes and college kids and everything. And then maybe we can find some bigger Suwannees and get a chance at more Suwannees, if anything. But give you a little tour of the camp, what we got going on.
Cook it. It's dinner time.
We got our cook, Bubba. Back there messing around in his truck is Tim Kidwell.
Hey.
And then we got Tim's tent, and he's scared to sleep by himself. And we got me in my hammock back there chilling. And then Bubba, the hermit, is sleeping over here in the woods by himself. And then we got all the kayaks lined up, looking real nice and pretty. Getting back out there tomorrow. We got lucky and found us a spot, which is like right across from the boat ramp.
Hope y'all like butter.
So that's gonna be it, guys. We'll get out there and hopefully tomorrow we can do better. So stay tuned for day 2. We'll see you later. Remember, we're Dinsmore Outdoors and we do more. Y'all take care.